Oh, to be 25 again. Here's another little place to eat. And a sushi place.
Hey, bị thấu rồi. Nó chỉ bị thấu rồi. Bị thấu rồi.
If you look at one of our other videos on Montague Street in Brooklyn, it's sort of laid out the same way, where the lower level of brownstones are turned into storefronts. That's another use of the lower level. Everyone loves their phone. Everyone loves their phone. The phone has been a revolution, I would say. Now we're crossing 2nd Avenue.
No, I mean like real issues that
Watch out for bike drivers coming up here. Huge parking lot. And all the windows above indicate more parking via elevator. See how they do that? That's all parking up there. Gonna be an athlete, that's it.
Please?
Emily Court. How about that? Big apartment building. Probably pre-war. Maybe pre-World War II. That's when they were building them like that.
Darling?
The bicycle guys will kill you. Any more coming? Can't tell. What a beautiful day. It's starting to get a little cloudy now. It's supposed to rain later tonight. So I think we got the best part of the morning so far. Here comes a bicycle guy ready to kill us. See if he stops at the light. Now we can walk. I like to photograph some people who might run me over and kill me. In case they leave the scene.
Show.
Nice breeze picking up this afternoon right now. I think that means maybe some weather is moving in. The sky is not quite as blue as it was when we started this adventure this morning. It's about noontime now. The noon hour, I think. And we'll soon be ending our walking tour of 80th Street. Between Madison and York Avenue. That might be York Avenue ahead. So I think we're getting close to the end. Thank you for watching. If you like these tours, remember hit the little red button on the lower right hand side of the screen and select subscribe and like. Remember, subscribing is free, it costs nothing. And watch for more videos on Gary's tours. We hope you enjoyed these videos. And I'll see you soon. That's York Avenue up ahead. I'm going to stop the video at this point.